Baykar starts mass production of KIZILELMA aircraft. Selçuk Bayraktar, chairman of the board of directors of Baykar, announced the start of series production of the Kızılelma-A unmanned combat aircraft. Speaking at the missile competition organized by Roketsan at Hisar Test Center within the framework of Teknofest, Selçuk Bayraktar made important statements. Speaking about the supersonic version of Bayraktar Kızılelma, Turkey's first unmanned fighter, Selçuk Bayraktar, said, "We will also develop this variant in the coming years. Development activities are ongoing, but we are currently preparing the first variant, the non-supersonic variant, which we call KIZILELMA-A, for production." No studies that will completely eliminate humans. Commenting on the artificial intelligence and unmanned aerial vehicle studies, Selçuk Bayraktar said, "In order to increase both situational awareness and flight safety in our platforms, we are conducting research on what we call advanced algorithms that we now call artificial intelligence. However, these studies are not aimed at completely eliminating humans, especially in armed platforms. We are working more on algorithms that will increase flight safety and at the same time enable the aircraft to see and understand its surroundings. Of course, we are doing more of these studies for our unmanned aerial platforms, but we are also preparing our flying car, which we call Cezary. We will also transfer the technologies we have developed for the future to this platform. On the other hand, Baykar, which is continuing its export activities, has so far exported the Bayraktar TB2 to 30 countries and the Akinci Tuav to 7 countries. A number of countries, in particular Azerbaijan, are very interested in KIZILELMA. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.